ever had a hiccup? Everyone will say yes. Most cases of hiccups can be treated or resolved in a short time. Rarely, they can last longer. Today, let's talk about what hiccup is, what causes it, and how to treat it. What are hiccups? Hiccups happen when your diaphragm suddenly contracts. Diaphragm is the muscle that separates your chest from your belly. When you breathe in or inhale, your diaphragm contracts. It makes your chest cavity enlarge. It reduces the pressure inside the lungs and air can enter the lungs. When diaphragm suddenly happens contraction, you take in air and then your voice box closes shut, which is what causes the hic sound. That is hiccup sound. What causes hiccups? The most common causes include eating or drinking too much and your stomach is full, drinking soda or hot liquids or alcoholic drinks, swallowing air such as when you are chewing gum, hot or spicy food that irritates the phrenic nerve, which is near the esophagus. In rare situations, hiccups can have more serious diseases and medication. Strokes or brain tumors involving the brainstem can cause hiccup. Liver masses can cause irritation of the diaphragm, which can cause hiccups. Respiratory disease, such as pneumonia or pleurisy of the diaphragm. Medication: diazepam, Valium, alprazolam, Xanax, and lorazepam, Ativan, can cause hiccups. Corticosteroid can sometimes make intractable hiccup. Anesthesia are known to cause hiccups. A baby may hiccup after crying or coughing. A sudden change in air temperature. What can I do on my own to get rid of the hiccups? Yes, there are a few tips you can try. 1. Hold your breath for several seconds or longer. 2. Valsalva maneuver. Breathe out against your closed mouth and nose. 3. Pull on your tongue. 4. Breathe into a paper bag. 5. Drink a glass of water quickly. 6. Eating peanut butter. 7. Swallowing granulated sugar. 8. Pull your knees up to your chest and lean forward. 9. Biting on a lemon. 10. Pressing on the eyeballs. Those ways can stop hiccup in many people with safe and easy. However, see your doctor if you have hiccups that last longer than 48 hours. Doctor will ask about your symptoms and need to tests depending on your symptoms, medical history, duration of hiccup.